The Sundanese people of Indonesia have a unique perspective on health. It's a holistic approach, considering the well-being of the entire person. This goes beyond physical ailments. It delves into the interconnectedness of mind, body, and community. For the Sundanese, true health is complete harmony. This is the essence of Cageur, the Sundanese concept of health. It's about thriving, not just surviving. Their practices reflect a deep respect for the environment. In the heart of West Java, Indonesia, lies a profound understanding of health. The Sundanese word Cageur encapsulates this concept. It is a state of complete well-being. This includes physical, mental, and spiritual harmony. Cageur is not just about the absence of disease. It's about feeling vibrant and alive. It's about living in harmony with oneself, one's community, and the natural world. This holistic approach recognizes the interconnectedness of all things. It emphasizes the importance of balance in life. Imagine a life where your mind is at peace, your body is strong and healthy, you feel connected to your community and the world around you. This is the essence of Cageur. It's a state of being that the Sundanese people strive for throughout their lives. The Sundanese people have a nuanced understanding of illness. They recognize that physical ailments can stem from deeper imbalances. These imbalances might be emotional, spiritual, or social. This perspective highlights the importance of addressing all aspects of a person's well-being. Jering is the Sundanese word for illness. It encompasses a wide range of ailments. These can be physical or mental. Cageur goes beyond individual sickness. It refers to a state of imbalance or disharmony that affects the entire community. For example, a prolonged drought could be seen as Cageur. It affects the community's physical health by impacting their crops and livelihoods. It also disrupts the social and spiritual balance of the community. This holistic perspective emphasizes the interconnectedness of all things. It underscores the importance of community and environmental well-being. The Sundanese people have a long tradition of using natural remedies to maintain health and treat illnesses. Their knowledge of plants and their medicinal properties is extensive. This traditional knowledge is passed down through generations. It plays a vital role in their healthcare practices. Herbal medicine, known as jamu, is an integral part of Sundanese culture. Various plants, roots, and herbs are used to create remedies for a wide range of ailments. These remedies are often prepared in specific ways. This maximizes their effectiveness. The knowledge of these preparations is a testament to the deep connection between the Sundanese people and their natural environment. For instance, turmeric, a common spice in Indonesian cuisine, is also a potent anti-inflammatory agent in traditional Sundanese medicine. Similarly, ginger is used to alleviate digestive issues, while lemongrass is believed to have calming and sleep-promoting properties. Section 5. A village raises its health, community and well-being. In Sundanese culture, community is not just a social construct, it's a vital part of maintaining good health. Strong social connections, mutual support, and a sense of belonging all contribute to a sense of Cageur. This emphasis on community fosters a sense of responsibility for one another's well-being. Gotong royong, a Sundanese term meaning mutual cooperation, exemplifies this spirit. It's a way of life where villagers come together to help each other, whether it's building a house, harvesting crops, or caring for the sick. This collective effort strengthens community bonds and contributes to a sense of shared purpose. Regular community gatherings, often centered around traditional ceremonies or celebrations, provide opportunities for social interaction, laughter, and stress relief. These gatherings are not just social events, they are vital for maintaining mental and emotional well-being. Rituals for a healthy soul. Life in Sundanese culture is punctuated by vibrant ceremonies and rituals. These events are deeply rooted in tradition. They foster social cohesion and provide emotional support. Consider the Sisingaan ceremony with its traditional lion dance. Energetic music, vibrant costumes, and community participation uplift spirits. These rituals connect individuals to their past and community. Section 7. Food for the body, food for the soul. The Sundanese diet. The Sundanese people have a deep connection to the land. This is reflected in their diet. Fresh, locally sourced ingredients form the foundation of their cuisine. Their diet is about balance and harmony. Rice is a staple, often with vegetables, fish, and tofu or tempeh. Fresh herbs and spices add flavor and health benefits. Lalapan showcases the power of fresh, natural foods. Section 8. Modern challenges, ancient wisdom. As the world rapidly modernizes, traditional cultures face the challenge of preserving their heritage while adapting to new realities. The Sundanese people are no exception. The influx of Western medicine and lifestyle changes have impacted their traditional health practices. The availability of modern healthcare facilities provides valuable treatment options. However, it also presents the risk of traditional knowledge being undervalued or forgotten. Maintaining a balance between embracing modern advancements and preserving ancient wisdom is crucial. Despite these challenges, the core values of Sundanese culture remain strong. The emphasis on community, respect for nature, and the pursuit of balance continue to guide their approach to health and well-being. The challenge lies in adapting these values to the realities of modern life. Section 9. Learning from the past, living for the future. The Sundanese approach to health offers valuable insights for the modern world. Their holistic perspective, emphasizing the interconnectedness of mind, body, and community, provides a refreshing alternative to often fragmented approaches to healthcare. In a world grappling with rising stress levels, social isolation, and lifestyle-related diseases, the Sundanese emphasis on community support, stress-relieving rituals, and a balanced diet provides a compelling model for healthy living. Their deep connection to nature and their understanding of the delicate balance of life offer valuable lessons for environmental sustainability. By studying and understanding these traditional practices, we can gain valuable insights into achieving holistic well-being. The wisdom of the Sundanese culture reminds us that true health encompasses more than just the physical body. It's about living in harmony with ourselves, our communities, and the world around us. Section 10. Embracing balance, the enduring legacy of Sundanese health. The Sundanese concept of Cageur provides a powerful framework for understanding health and well-being. It reminds us that true health is a state of complete harmony. This harmony encompasses our physical, mental, and spiritual selves, as well as our connection to our communities and the natural world. As we navigate the complexities of modern life, the wisdom of the Sundanese culture offers valuable guidance. By embracing a holistic approach to health, prioritizing community connections, and respecting the delicate balance of nature, we can strive to achieve Cageur in our own lives. The legacy of the Sundanese people lies in their enduring belief in the interconnectedness of all things and their pursuit of balance in all aspects of life.